Number 2, a jet ski company charges a flat fee of $24 plus $2.25 per hour to rent their jet skis. Another company charges a fee of $23 plus $2.50 per hour to rent the same jet ski. Using a graphing calculator, find the number of hours for which the costs are the same. Route your answer to the nearest whole hour. So before I can use the calculator to graph, I need to write the equations. That's what we're graphing, is those two equations. So the first company has a flat fee, so it costs you $24 to start, and then $2.25 per hour. And our second company is charging $23, so a little bit cheaper in the beginning, but they charge more per hour. So let's graph both of those. And I'm going to put my zoom back. Standard. Okay, now so you can see I need to expand my window quite a bit. So we'll go to the window. My X minimum, so that's the number of hours, I can set the minimum at 0, right? Because you're not going to rent a jet ski for negative hours. We want to make this bigger, so let's just double it. Let's go to 20 hours. And then same here, the cost is not going to be negative, right? They're not going to owe you money, for riding it. And then let's make the maximum, I don't know, let's say up to $100. All right. So we want to see they're crossing here somewhere. It's a little hard to see though because their slopes are so similar. So let's look at our table. And we're looking for when the costs are the same. So Y represents our cost. So we're going to scroll through here and try and look and see where are the costs most close. So if we scroll down, we've got $24. So this one's still more, the first company's still more expensive. And they get 28.5, 28.2, 30.75, 30.5, and it looks like here 33 and 33.0. That's when those costs are the closest. So if we're rounding to the nearest hour at 4 hours, if you want to rent the jet skis for 4 hours, either company is going to cost you about $33. And again, you could do it from the graph as well if you hit trace. If we zoom in a little bit, change the window. You could see a little bit better where they cross. So it's about X equals 4 and the cost, so 4 hours and $33. So you could take a look at the table or the graph to answer this question.